Hey, so here we are again at our favorite place, the local DIY store. I want to talk about how to hang art. And one of my favorite things is right here in this section with a bunch of hooks and stuff. It's right over here. It's called a monkey hook. This guy goes into a wall really easy, and we're going to show you how. So let's just throw it in the cart and get going. Actually, not this one. That one. So I thought I'd give a quick demo. Here we have our monkey hook. And here we have a piece of sheetrock simulating your normal wall. Now, if you were to do this in a 2x4 area, it would not work, but you want to find a place that doesn't have a 2x4 in it using a stud finder or the tried and true knocking method. All you do is take one of these and you find where you're going to put it in the wall and you start wiggling. And then it pops through. And then you just turn it up with that, and then you want it to seat right there, just like that. I'll turn around, show you what's happening on the back side here. And it makes a really stable holding platform for your pictures and your paintings and all that type of stuff. Now, I figured since I've got that hook in there and, just a little piece of sheetrock in there, we want to prove that maybe you can hang something from it. So I just wired up a 8-pound sledge here and just figured I'd just hook it on there, see what happens. There you go. So these really do work really well. They make small holes in the wall that can be easily filled, and that's why I love them. Remember, this content isn't sponsored, so go give us a thumbs up and a subscribe, and we'll keep posting more videos. Thanks. Have a great day.